Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC coupe. This one is iridium silver metallic. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you the AMG body styling for the interior and exterior. The diamond grille up front, 19-inch AMG alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. Ambitex black interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. A set of AMG clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Come alongside here, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, nice brushed aluminum trim. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A nice gloss black center console. Rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, radio, cup holders, our dynamic selects for our different driving styles. This C300 is 29,949 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300, check out feldmanimports.com.